Hello, this is Dillon with the Embroidery Warehouse, and I'm here to show you how to check some connections for your X and Y motor, as well as checking main connections on the circuit board inside of the machine. Now, with any machine that I'm going to be checking electronics on, I'm going to power the machine off and then unplug it from the wall here. What I'll be checking is this back panel. Here are 4 different screws on either side. You'll just want to loosen them just a little bit and you can just pull this plate right out. Now when you're checking these connections, you'll just want to make sure that each one is secure inside of each plug. Now if you do remove them, take note on the location of where they're at and possibly take pictures or mark with tape. That way you know exactly which cord went into where. Some of them are different, however some are the same. Once those are checked, we'll move on over to the back right, if you're facing the back, or the left side of the machine where the main circuit board is at. Now on this portion of the machine, you'll want to remove 4 screws, 1 on top, 1 on the side, 2 around back. The wires here are going to be neatly bundled, and you'll want to check just underneath these in these areas here. So you have 2 ribbon cable areas. These are clipped on by hooks right here on the side. You want to make sure those are down and secured on, as well as any other plug that might be loose or just needs to be checked. So once all of these are checked, you're free to reattach the panel, plug the cord into the machine and then into the wall, boot up, and then see if those connections help. Now, if they do not help, again, just reach out, let us know, and we'll help you on your way.